Hey, and welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Laxon, and today we got something special. First of all, I'm gonna give a big shout out to Ringke for sending this little amazing VIP gift out for me to review in this video. I'm not sure what's inside the box, but I'm hoping it's some iPhone cases. So if you just picked up the new iPhone 13 line and you're looking for some cases, I think this video is gonna help you and it's gonna help me as well. But yeah, let's begin with the video. Thank you for watching LS Tech. Make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, enable notifications with the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest videos. So if you haven't heard of Ringke, that actually makes amazing cases. I've actually used their cases, the Fusion X case, since the iPhone 11. That has been my go-to case for protection and just on my daily use. It shows the design and the color of the iPhone, and that's a great amount of protection. But this time Ringke actually sent me something different. They actually sent me this box here. Look at that. That's called the review kit. Ringke, live a better day. Ringke, a special gift from us to you for the VIP. Thank you, Ringke. And here we've got it again. Live a better day. You are amazing. No, Ringke, you are amazing for sending this out to me. This means a lot. This is a nice box. Like this is nice. Let's see what we get inside. Like I'm genuinely excited to see it because I'm hoping it's gonna be some really good goodies. But I'm thinking it's phone cases. But yeah, let's get my unboxing knife here. Let's just open this up. Up. Okay, we've got another card here. You are amazing. Thank you so much. And we have a very nice little message here. And let's thank you, Ringke, for that. I actually appreciate you in the past for sending cases out for me to review and just making amazing cases and accessories. Like my cable manage there is amazing. That's thanks to Ringke because they do some amazing cable ties as well as like cable hooks. If you want to see a separate video on that, let me know in the comment section because they are really amazing. But yeah, let's have a look at this. So we do have a good amount of cases here. So we actually got, we got 4 different cases as you can see here. And this one is popping up because that is my favorite one. That is the Fusion X case. Ooh. Oh, we're gonna look at these. But they sent me 4 different cases. Let's just have a look at them. Got 4 different styles, I think. But yeah, let's just start with this one. So this one is their Air case. So this is called the Air 13 Pro Smoke Black in an eco packaging, which is always nice. So let's just open this up and see how it is. Of course, all the links for these cases will be in the description. So if you do want them, if you do want to check it out, wait, let me open this first. So if you do want to check out all of these cases, the links will be in the description for Amazon UK, Germany, America, Canada. So do check them out. Boy, yeah, let's just have a look at this first one. This is their ultra thin Air case, which is a fully TPU case, and it's in a smoke color. And I do have the graphite phone, so that's gonna look really amazing. But this is a very minimal case, nothing too fancy, no drop protection, any sort of like that. It's just a very simple case to add some protection and give your phone a much darker feel and look. So let's just go in with the volume rockers here and see how that is. Ooh, that's gone black. That's on smoke. That's it's a very nice black color. Let's just take it off and let's have a look at it. So this is without the case. You see we get a lot of shine and stuff. That is nice. I have to say that it's a nice color. That looks nice. So let's have a look at some protection. So we do get a good amount of lift protection for the cameras. So that is good with this year's cameras. It's a nice touch to have that because Apple have made these cameras bigger and better. So we need that protection in case we don't break them. So that's nice. We do have that. And of course at the front we do have a raised corner lid for the bottom as well as the top. So in case you drop your phone, we are getting a bit of protection, and that means when you're laying your phone on bottom and you go like this, your phone is not going to scratch because we do have those raised at the front, which is nice. Power buttons all fully covered up, but let's test them out. So let's start with the power button. Works fine. Let's unlock it. Volume rockers. Yeah, works fine. Let's try the mute switch. Works fine as well. So that all works fine, so that's really good. I mean, this looks nice. Like, of course, I'm gonna do like, if you want full reviews of any of these cases, let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna do like a proper in-depth video testing out wireless charging and everything, but all these cases does work with wireless charging if you're thinking of like that. But this is nice, I have to say. That's a nice little case there. I have to say, this is a really nice case. Just the feel of it, like, I know it doesn't have a lot of protection, but just for the looks wise, this is nice. But let's have a look at the next one. So this one is the Onyx case. So this is a TPU case as well, hopefully. So let's open this up. Ooh. Okay, this one actually has some good grip to it. It's nice, I have to say. This is a TPU case, but it does have some like a grippy feel to it. It's got really nice texture. We do have some raised like bumps as well, and we've got aluminium buttons here, which is really nice. And lots of more grippy here. This is a hardcore grip case, I have to say. Let's just put this case on and see how that looks. Let's go in with the volume rockers. As well, like, this is nice. Look at that. I'm not sure how well this is picking up on camera. We do have a really nice texture. Feels really good. And same goes for the edges. Like, of course, we have a branding here, but we do have like good grip. I mean, that is on there. You have some buttons here with some aluminium covers, which is nice, gives a premium feel. Of course, we have all of the great features, like a huge lip protection here for the camera bump, which is nice. You have a branding here, Ringke. You have these little feet here to laying on the desk. You have a lanyard port here, so if you want to attach like cables that have your string on the neck, if you do still do that, you do that. We do have a decent amount of cutouts for lightning as well as speaker, which is good. I mean, it feels good. Like, I mean, the feel is here, like, it's a premium feel. Like, I don't know, I like this feel. And of course, on the side, you have those rigged edges. Good feel, and the buttons. It's nice and cold. It's nice and cold and works fine, like power button. No issue. Let's try volume rockers. Yeah, they work fine as well. I mean, this is nice. It's a really nice case. Because this works with wireless charging as well, but it's not MagSafe compatible. But this looks nice, I have to say. Yeah, this is nice. Let's try the next one. Let's get this case out. This is good. I like the touch. And let's have a look at this one. This is their Fusion clear case. Okay, I've never heard of this one. I don't think I've actually used this one in the past before. So inside we have the case itself, and we get this little like instruction to remove. So if you got the mirror or the Fusion, you can actually remove the film on inside as well as on the outside. So you can see this is a hard case with a TPU edging and some good amount of drop protection as well. We have some air cushions here, as you can see in the corners to help you with the drop protection. Do have a branding here, lanyard as well. Fully covered. Looks nice. Let's just put the case on. Yeah, this is your standard protection case. Like this does have the film stickers, but I'm not going to be using this case, I think so. I prefer having something nice on. So let's look at this one. Yes, the Fusion X. Like I've used the Fusion X since my iPhone 11 series, so quite a while. I think I did use it, like I did try it for my iPhone XS as well, but I was not out and about much then. But since then, like I work a lot and I go out and I want a good case that shows my iPhone as well as having a good amount of drop protection. And like the Fusion X is the one case I recommend to people. Like if you want a good case with good amount of protection, that's the case to go for. It is really nice. And of course this one we get the same thing to remove the film. So of course we get the same film. That's because they have a protection film, so you can remove it on the inside as well as on the outside. So that takes a bit of time. You have to like sit and fiddle. But let's see if we can find it on this one. This just adds a protection while the phone is getting shipped out to you. So here I found it. So let's peel this off here. Let's do the same for the inside. I remember when doing this last time with the camera I struggled, but this time, no issue. That is nice, so that is fully off as you can see. And this year they've actually added this new texture finished. I'm sure they didn't have it this last year. Let me get my old cases. Let me just dig through the boxes. Okay, I actually found my old cases for the iPhone 11. I've got that one here. As you can see, that is dusty and scratch and everything. And here I've got for the 12 Pro. That's because I went for the camera options. It's because it was that navy Pacific blue and I wanted like a navy finish. So for this was nice. I do have the normal one, can't find that. And yes, I do keep my old cases because when I'm doing reviews, I prefer to look back at them and see how good they are and how much they've changed. And I just like having them around, so when I can compare cases and stuff like this. But as you can see, these are really great cases. I love them. This one is just, yeah, it's damaged up. But that shows how much protection, because I drop my phone a lot. Like at work, I have it in my pocket and it will fall out. And I'll just have it laying on the desk and it will get knocked over. But this one, as you can see, we've got drop protection, we got bumper, a huge lip for the camera, front protection. It is good. We've got some cushions on the inside in case we drop it. But let's put the phone in and see how it looks this time. Oh, nah, that is nice. That graphite and these black, this looks good. Everything coming out and it feels good. I really love this texture here. Gives a good grip on the phone as well as for the power button. Because we've got the branding here, FX. Grip here, lanyard port. Good cutout for your lightning port as well as speaker grill. Feels good. Oh, we do have lanyard port on both sides. Volume rockers, and you can see the volume up actually has like 3 indentation, so you know that's your up button. Good cutout, I think. Let's try the power button. That works fine. Looks fine. Let's try the volume rockers. Oh, good. Nice and clicky, I have to say. Nah, this is nice. And the camera lip here for the back, you can see that's raised a lot. Just on the inside you can see how well it is raised. Just look at that. That's nice. With the graphite, that looks really well. Like of the other colors, it's not going to give you this feel. I think it's not going to look this amazing, but on the graphite, these cases look amazing. That's why I went for the graphite this time, because I know all these black cases always look so amazing. on the graphite version, and this looks nice. I mean, this is nice. Like, I'm gonna test this case out. I'm gonna have a separate video as well as a full review on this case, because these cases are just amazing. Like the Fusion X, it's a go-to case, no doubt in that. It's just amazing, and I'm really happy that I finally have it in my hands. This is nice, like so. Isn't that? And yeah, thank you Ringke for sending these cases out for me to review. This is a nice touch, like a nice box. This is the first time I'm actually getting like a really special box to unbox, so thank you for that. So if you do want to check out the cases, the links will be in the description for Amazon USA, Canada, UK, as well as Germany, so the links will be in the description. But as always, I do want to give a big shout out for Ringke for sending these cases out for me to review. If you want to see in-depth reviews of each of the cases, let me know in the comment section which one you want to prefer, and of course I'm going to do one on the Fusion X. There's no doubt on that. But as always, thank you for watching the video, and a big shout out to Ringke for sending this out for me to review. But as always, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell icon so you don't miss out any of my latest video, because I'm going to have so many great videos and content coming in the next few weeks and days. So make sure you are subscribed, and as always, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.